the Mpow R9. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Mpow Soundhot R9 portable Bluetooth speaker. I will go over specs, features, provide music samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user manual, USB-C cable for charging, and a lanyard. The R9 features 10 hours of playtime, uses Bluetooth 5.0, 24-watt drivers with a 4400 mAh battery, and you can link up to 100 speakers, button controls, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The speaker has a portable, compact design. It's lined with a dual woven fabric material, and it feels durable. You can see the drivers on each side. On the top, you'll find the following controls: Bluetooth pairing button, volume down, previous track, play pause, volume up, next track, and the power button. Just below those controls, you'll have the USB-C charge port, aux in port, LED, and the loop for the lanyard. Taking a look at the dimensions, it comes in at 7 inches by 2.5 by 2.5 inches. It weighs in at 490 grams. And now for some audio samples.
You don't ever wanna tell me what you're thinking. One sentence is too much for your tangled mind. Don't know what's worse, the waiting or the frustration. It's hard to care about you.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip this, wet. Tell them run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell them run it up. 9 out of 10, roll through my hands, I'm
The Mpow R9 is a good portable speaker that packs a punch. It has an ample amount of bass that comes in deep and punchy. Mids and highs are clear and it doesn't get overwhelmed by the bass. Volume levels get high and this will have no issues filling a medium to large size room. And it definitely can be used in the outdoors with its IPX7 rating. So that is my review of the Mpow R9 Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.